तस्वीर दिखाऊंगी. यू नो इंग्लिश?
Yeah, I know.
हिंदी नहीं आती? बिल्कुल नहीं आती.
Little.
आप समझ पाएंगे?
Little.
ये तस्वीर है, राजा और सोनम की शादी की तस्वीर है. और डू यू नो देम?
Yeah,
कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज?
yeah. But this clothes is different. Yeah.
जाहिर है ये शादी की तस्वीर थी.
हाँ.
इन चारों में से किसी को, ये जो चारों आरोपी हैं, इन चारों में से किसी,
I remember that one person.
ये चेक शर्ट.
Yeah, this one.
So tell me, since beginning, what happened on 22nd May? 22nd May को जब आप मिले सोनम और राजा से, कैसे मुलाकात हुई आपकी? How did you meet them?
22nd, I have the case. You going down. In 22nd, I going double decker with another case. I stand there, but the Bhawan side you came 4:30 something like that. You came from double decker. I saw him, but I asked him, you came here because double decker up for me. I standing down below.
Who is भावन साई?
Bhawan side is the you going guide with them.
कोई गाइड थे? आप जानते हैं भावन साई?
Yeah, this is my friend.
भावन साई उनके साथ जा रहे थे ऊपर डबल डेकर.
From parking to no from parking to double decker. Yeah.
और आप ऊपर से नीचे उतर रहे थे.
हाँ.
फिर क्या हुआ?
Bhawan side you came with me. I asked them. He asked me to ask you go to ask them because Bhawan side is no he don't know English more. He know little. You ask them to take local guide tomorrow because you get lost. I go there with Raja and Sonam with Bhawan side also together. I go them. First I asked the Raja Rakhuvanshi, but Raja is he don't know English. Yeah.
कह रहे हैं कि भावन साई आपके पास आए जो उनके साथ ऑलरेडी पहले से गाइड थे. उन्होंने आपसे बोला कि तुम जाकर के इनसे बात करो अगर इन्हें गाइड की ज़रूरत है. क्योंकि भावन साई की अंग्रेज़ी अच्छी नहीं. तो राजा और सोनम से जब आप कह रहे हैं आप राजा के पास गए, आपने पूछा कि गाइड की ज़रूरत.
The Raja is standing, Sonam is sitting. First I asked Raja Rakhuvanshi. I asked to have to take local guide tomorrow, but he don't know English. He asked to talk with her. I talk with Sonam to take. You have to take local guide tomorrow because you have to get lost in Terna village because another parking. But you get lost, but you have to take taxi from 3,000. You have to drop in my parking. Ask them. That Sonam he asked me. He don't want local guide because I came today. I remember the way, but you came tomorrow.
आप राजा ने आपको मना कर दिया कि आपने, राजा ने आपसे कहा कि आस्क सोनम से.
Yeah.
और सोनम ने आपसे क्या कहा?
Sonam he asked, I remember the way because I came today to double decker, but I remember I came tomorrow. I don't want to take local guide.
सोनम ने कहा कि उन्हें वो जानती हैं डबल डेकर का रास्ता.
हाँ, he asked me that question. But for me, I am going back with another tourist.
इतनी ही बातचीत हुई.
हाँ.
क्या कर रहे थे जब आप मिले उनसे, तो क्या कर रहे थे वो लोग? What were they doing?
He only coming only 1-2 minutes. That Raja is standing, but Sonam is sitting.
That's it.
Yeah.
उनका चेहरा का हाव-भाव कुछ आपने पढ़ा? Facial expression.
No.
Were they tired? They were happy?
I don't know because that time also many tourists come from there. Na? I remember little, not more.
And then you moved on.
Yeah, moved away. I go with another tourist. I coming up because that guy he is staying there. That Bha also he asking me that guy is staying in Shipara homestay.